Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn and draw capital letters alphabets A to Z. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Green color, blue color, pink color, yellow color, black color, purple color, and red color. So kids, now we draw A. A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. T for dog. Kids, so now you draw E. The alphabets of E. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. G. G for God. It's now you draw H. H. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. J. J for joker. K. K for king. It's now you draw L. L. L for lion. M. M for moon. N. N for nose. It's now you draw O. O for orange. P. P for parrot. Q. Q for queen. R. R for rose. S. S for sun. T. T for teacher. It's now you draw U. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. W. W for wheel. X. X for telephone. Y. Y for yo-yo. And Z. Z for zebra. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.